Guys, I'm about to show you something that is blowing my mind. I went to an office earlier this week and I met the CEO of a company called SmartCharts. Now, they are the first in the space to do what they've done, and I'm going to discover that for you on this video. But what I want to say is, I'm going to make hundreds of videos about this company over the next 3-4 months. And the reason is because I believe that every single feature inside that I saw when I went for the demonstration should be in view for you. Now, then you can make your own decision if you want to get involved. But what I will tell you is, I'm so involved. I'm so involved that every single person I speak to, I am making sure they at least see this and make a decision to get involved too. Now, the link is down below, but disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, to do this for education purposes only. Let's see what Greg has brought to us again. Let's go. Guys, here it is, smartcharts.net, okay, the world's first AI trading analysis platform. This is where you can maximize your trading potential with AI-powered strategies and one-click execution, learning, trading, and growing with SmartCharts. Now, I've actually been to the office. I've actually met the CEO. This is one of the most incredible projects I've ever seen. It's innovative, it's fresh, and it's actually helping traders, thousands and thousands of traders all around the globe, make money, which is the most important key. Now, 5,000 plus verified users so far, 27 plus premium features and 10 plus trading strategies. Okay, it's a built-in AI strategy store, and I'm going to be making a whole lot of videos on this, talking about every single strategy they have. This is just a quick overview of the website. Okay, it's a modernized trading featured platform. Okay, you can see here, all you got to do, guys, is get involved. All right, get involved with the AI trading strategies, unlock the full potential of the artificial intelligence with SmartCharts proprietary built-in trading strategies. Okay, use the AI-driven trading signals. It's easy one-click trading feature, and I've actually used this myself, guys, and had a full demonstration. Okay, and you can start making money in the financial markets. They have credited the first true hybrid e-learning and trading tool of its kind, so you can simply learn as you trade. All right, very, very cool. SmartCharts is not just another trading system, okay? Some of the strategies they have on there, the T-Wave, the Patterns AI, the Swing Pro AI, the Stocks AI. Guys, it is never ending with unbelievable knowledge, all coming from the CEO, who is the godfather of Forex, okay? So you can trade your very own AI trading strategies and using the trading signals to build your own trading portfolio. That's gonna make you make better decisions. Number 2, improve risk management. And number 3, trade anywhere, anytime. So if you wanna join this group, guys, all right, if you want to join one of the world's leading trading groups, then you simply have to hit the link underneath this video, okay, and get involved, okay? Discover your potential right now. I am fascinated by this company, and I'm actually going to start going into my account and showing you everything in the next coming videos. There you go, guys. Do me a massive, massive favor. Hit that link down below if you do want to go and get involved right now. If you don't and you want to wait for some more videos, guys, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and the bell to become notified. I'm going to go deep into this, so stay tuned. You're going to feel comfortable after about video 5, video 6, video 7. It doesn't matter, because when you're comfortable, you're going to start making money with SmartCharts. So hit that like button, and let's get to it.